All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
And today's news bulletin is brought to you by Grade 8 Jasper. International news. Malaysian PM Anwar Ibrahim warns an action against rice hoarders as price increases. International news. Indians willing to pay a premium for evaluating 5G experience. Thank you. I am Navadeep of Grade 8 Jasper, brought to you State and Sport News. State News. TAS extends admission deadline for SSC and intermediate courses to October. Hyderabad Airport awarded Level 4 transition for carbon management. Sport News. Preeti Power wins boxing bronze. Lovlina enters final. India beats Korea in women's kabaddi team Group A match. Thank you and have a good day.
Everyone, today's weather report is brought to you by Charan Kumar from Grade 8 Jasper. Maximum temperature 35 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 24 degrees Celsius, mostly sunny. Have a nice day. Thought is brought to you by GMH Chatan of Grade 8 Jasper. Thought: the power of unfulfilled desire is the root of all man's slavery. I repeat my thought: the power of unfulfilled desire is the root of all man's slavery. Said by Paramahansa Yogananda. Thank you.
Everyone, today's word is brought to you by Gayatri of Grade 8 Jasper. Today's word: desire. It's a noun. It spells as DESIRE. It means a strong feeling of wanting to have something or wishing for something to happen. Friends, please spell after me. DESIRE. Desire. Thank you. Have a good day. Everyone, today history of Telangana is brought to you by Jahanavi and Liaquat from Grade 8 Jasper. History of Telangana. The history of Telangana, located on the high Deccan Plateau, includes its being ruled by Shatavahana dynasty, the Kakatiya dynasty, Golconda Sultanate, and Asaf Jahi dynasty. Thank you.
After Indian independence, the Nizam did not sing the instrument of accession to India. The Indian army invaded and annexed Hyderabad state in 1948. In 2014, Telangana became the 29th state of India, consisting of 33 districts with Hyderabad as its capital. The city of Hyderabad will continue to serve as the joint capital of Andhra Pradesh, successor state of Telangana for a period of 10 years up to 2024. Thank you.
And today's amazing facts about history is brought to you by Anvita and Nakshatra. Fact number 1. During World War II, the Great Dane named Juliana was awarded the Blue Cross Medal. Fact number 2. Alexander the Great was accidentally buried alive. Thank you. Number 3. There were female gladiators in ancient Rome called a gladiatrix. Fact number 4. Ketchup was sold in the 1830s as medicine. Thank you. Have a good day.
Everyone, today's GK questions are brought to you by Meghana and Muniruddin from Grade 8 Jasper. Question for Grade 6. In which year Telangana state was formed? Yes, you picked the correct answer and the answer is 2014. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 7. How many districts are there in Telangana? Yes, you picked the correct answer and the answer is 33. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 8. Who was appointed as first governor of Telangana? I repeat it again. Who was appointed as first governor of Telangana? Yes, you picked the correct answer and the answer is Narasimha. Let us appreciate them. Thank you.
Question for grade 9. What is the literacy rate in Telangana? I repeat, what is the literacy rate in Telangana?
66.46%.
Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is 66.46%. Let us appreciate them. Open questions for all. Which one is the largest district by area wise in Telangana? I repeat, which one is the largest district by area wise in Telangana? Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer, and the right answer is Bhadadri. Next question. Who was the last Nizam of Hyderabad? I repeat, who was the last Nizam of Hyderabad? Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer, and the answer is Usman Ali Khan. Thank you. Have a good day.
All India, sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of it. Rich and very talented. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. India will be and prosperity along lines my happiness. Jai Hind. International news is brought to you by Vishwa Sandesh of Grade 4 Hazel. PM Modi received Sananko excellent greetings ahead of Hindu temple inauguration in New Jersey. Donald Trump will test in New York civil fraud tells Indonesian presented launches Southeast Asia first night speed funded by China. Nightclub fire kills at least 7 in mansion in Spain. Thank you. It is brought to you by Siddharthan of Grade 4 Hazel. National News. Assam 2 candidates show in mixed survey in Intergate News. Muslims Rahul Gandhi cuts vegetables as part of save in Golden Temple. 1039 people adjudged as a part of crackdown on child marriages in Assam. Girls' hair cuts talent in fairies will must in Gujarat. Thank you. State news is brought to you by Tanuj of Grade 4 Coral. Grade 4 Hazel. India versus Nepal has been 2000 in Asian Games. Sports. Football is the world's most popular sport simply because it has the most fans and has active. Indian best 13-0 in human hockey. Arun and Sunil win India first medal in event it Asian Games. Thank you. Have a good day. Today's thought is brought to you by Niharika of Grade 4 Hazel. Thought: when you know better, you do better. The mind is not a whistle to be filled, but a fight to be dignified. I repeat my thought again. When you know better, you do better. The mind is not a whistle to be filled, but a fight to be dignified. Thank you. Have a good day. Weather report is brought to you by VIII God of Grade 4 Hazel. Weather report. Minimum temperature 27 degrees Celsius. Maximum temperature 36 degrees Celsius. Mostly cloudy. Thank you. Have a good day. And today's 2 words are brought to you by VIII from Grade 4 Hazel. Today's 2 words are glorify and asperity. Glorify. It means praise, worship or admirable. Asperity. It means harsh in tone. Friends, please spell after me. Glorify. Glorify. blue blood and veins due to red blood cell substance of the body. Fact number 2. 500 different spices present in any human body, small intestine. Fact number 3. Computers come from the word compute. It means calculate.
Fact number 4. From rubber tree we get one liquid, it helps to make rubber. Fact number 5. Quinine medicine comes from quinine tree. It helps to recover from fever. Fact number 6. Haldi is an antiseptic medicine in neighborhoods. Thank you. Have a wonderful Wednesday.
GK questions is brought to you by Akshita and Akshaya of grade 4 Hazel. Question goes to grade 1. Who is the first Prime Minister of India? I repeat my question. Who is the first Prime Minister of India? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer. And the answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Question goes to grade 2. Who is the first woman Prime Minister of India? I repeat my question. Who is the first woman Prime Minister of India? Yes, you picked the correct answer. And the answer is Indira Gandhi. Question goes to grade 3. Who is known as father of Indian Constitution? Sorry, you did not pick the right answer. And the answer is Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Question goes to grade 4. Name the folk dance of Andhra Pradesh. I repeat my question. Name the folk dance of Andhra Pradesh. Yes, you picked the correct answer. And the answer is Kuchipudi. Let us appreciate them. Shivaji Tandav Ma Durga Lasya, what it creates?
Grade 5. Question for grade 5. Shivji Tandav plus Durga Ma Lasya, what is created?
I repeat my question. Shivaji Tandav, Shivji Tandav plus Ma Durga Lasya, what it creates? And sorry, you did not pick the right answer. And the answer is Tal. Open questions for all. When is International Mother Language Day celebrated? I repeat my question. When is International Mother Language Day celebrated? Sorry, you did not pick the correct answer. 12th May on second Sunday. Which animals take pouch in our body? Kangaroo. You picked the right answer, and the answer is kangaroo. Let us appreciate them. I help people and protect them when they are in problem. Who am I? Doctor. Sorry, you picked the correct answer, and the answer is police. Sorry, you did not pick the correct answer, and the answer is police. Thank you. Have a good day.